Small living, big style, decorating your cozy living room. Part 2, choosing the right furniture for small living rooms. Welcome to part 2 of our special home decor series. Today, we're diving into the art of decorating small, cozy living rooms. Whether you're dealing with limited space or just want to maximize coziness, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share expert tips and creative ideas to make your small living room feel spacious and stylish. This series is broken down into 10 parts. Each will be a separate video to ensure that this video is not too long. Let's dive into the concept of choosing the right furniture for small living rooms and how it can significantly impact the overall design and functionality of the space by starting with why furniture selection matters. Small living rooms have limited floor space, so every piece of furniture you choose is essential. The right furniture can make your room feel more spacious and comfortable, while the wrong choices can lead to a cluttered and cramped environment. Choosing the right furniture is crucial for small living rooms. We'll discuss space-saving furniture options, smart arrangements, and how to strike the perfect balance between comfort and functionality. Section 1. Space-saving furniture options. Sofa beds. A sofa bed serves a dual purpose, functioning as both a seating area and a guest bed. This is especially useful in small living rooms where you may not have a separate guest bedroom. Folding or nesting tables. These tables can be expanded when needed and folded or nested away when not in use, providing extra surface area without taking up much space. Wall-mounted furniture. Wall-mounted shelves, desks, and entertainment centers free up floor space while adding storage and functionality to the room. Modular furniture. Modular furniture allows you to customize your seating arrangements based on your needs. You can reconfigure modular sofas or sectionals to fit your space and preferences. Storage ottomans. Ottomans with hidden storage are excellent for small living rooms. They provide a place to rest your feet and can also store blankets, magazines, and more. Slimline furniture. Choose furniture with a streamlined design. Look for slender legs, compact profiles, and minimalistic styles to reduce visual bulk. Section 2. Smart arrangements. Traffic flow. Consider how people will move through the room. Ensure that furniture doesn't obstruct pathways and that there's a clear flow from one area to another. Focal point. Determine a focal point in the room, which could be a fireplace, TV, or a large window. Arrange furniture around this focal point to create a balanced and harmonious layout. Group seating. Instead of spreading out furniture, group seating pieces like sofas and chairs together. This arrangement encourages conversation and a more intimate atmosphere. Floating furniture. Floating furniture, by placing furniture away from walls, can give the illusion of more space in the center of the room. It can also create a cozy seating area within a small space. Section 3. Balancing comfort and functionality. Comfort. While maximizing space is crucial, don't sacrifice comfort. Invest in furniture that is both stylish and comfortable to ensure you and your guests enjoy spending time in your living room. Functionality. Ensure that your furniture serves multiple functions whenever possible. For example, a coffee table with storage or a pull-out sofa bed combines comfort with practicality. Scale. Pay attention to the scale of your furniture. Avoid oversized pieces that overwhelm the room. Instead, opt for appropriately sized furniture that fits the proportions of your space. By carefully selecting space-saving furniture options, arranging your furniture strategically, and finding the right balance between comfort and functionality, you can transform your small living room into a cozy and functional oasis that maximizes every inch of available space. This thoughtful approach to furniture selection and arrangement is key to making the most of your compact living area. This concludes this portion of the Small Living, Big Style Decorating Your Cozy Living Room series. Please start watching from the beginning of the series for the full scope of this concept. Please like and subscribe if you find my videos helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. Happy decorating and design on!